Job number 20253774-2. We're accessing the drain through a 4-inch cast iron cleanout tee located by the laundry tub towards the back corner of the home. Home is a tri-level. We are 107 feet on the counter right now, 106 feet if we put a little bit of the slack in. Looking at the flow of the city main sewer, we're hanging in vertically from the top. A little bit of an offset on the vertical there. We can see, again, we're hanging vertically, looking straight down right now. Leveling out to the horizontal, and it's hard to say for sure, but it looks like the liner may stop here or it could extend in through the vertical. It's hard to tell at the moment. A little bit of wrinkling on the bottom right corner of the screen. Another little jog offset up to a slightly shallower depth, a little bit more wrinkling. And again, this is all lined. We see another wrinkle on the top, kind of top to the side there. We see the tag, the label tag, extending throughout. Relatively easy to see. Looks like this is a 4-inch liner, is what it looks to be labeled. Approaching the end of the liner, or the upstream end, at about 52 feet, and we can see the original pipe here now as clay. Just upstream of this here we have what looks like an access that was cut in, probably for installing the liner. We can see the green PVC on the top, plugging off the opening. Here at about 38, 39, we have our transition from clay to cast iron. You can see a lot of heavy pitting on the top of the cast iron, and we can see a lot of lobe formations along the way on the bottom. stalactite hanging in there from the top. And we can see our Y connection at the top there of the screen, about 33 feet. That would be our building cleanout, so now that's inside of the home. You can see a lot of heavy pitting along the top. Slight change in direction, probably about a 22-degree angle across the basement. A couple of reference points along the way have been labeled on the floor. You can see some channeling on the bottom, some kind of lobe formations. Looks like a worm. This certainly does look like an earthworm. Must have got in there somehow through maybe a perforation in the pipe someplace. Again, very deep pitting along the top. You can see these kind of larger shelf-like formations on either side. Be kind of Y entering in on the top left corner. That's for our floor drain. Starting to navigate up the base of the stack. Stack base is at 9 feet on the counter. See our T on the stack for our laundry tub, our clean out, and then the drain goes up into the next through the foundation wall to serve the bathrooms on the first and third level of the tri-level.